Today we're making a Christmas claw machine. It's an actual working claw machine with a gingerbread house theme. You can fill it with prizes and use it as an advent calendar or at a holiday party or just for your kids or grandkids or husband. This is seriously one of the funnest, most random things I've made in quite a while, and I have to say I am in love. Buckle up, friends, let's get crafting. It all starts with a cardboard box, a good cardboard box, I know you know what I mean. And the super secret trick is that we're going to flip it inside out. That way all the shipping labels and writing on the box are on the inside and we'll just have pretty plain cardboard on the outside. Once your box is glued back together inside out, mark triangles on the top flaps and cut them out carefully with a sharp utility knife. This is what will give our box a pitched roof and turn it into a gingerbread house shape. You'll need a big, flat piece of cardboard for the next part. We're making the roof. The roof is going to be the size of your triangles plus a couple inches in both directions so that it overhangs. Cut a square mark down the center so you can fold it and make the roof peak shape. Now cut the claw machine window on the front of the house. And a little door where you can retrieve your prizes. Just cut 3 of the sides and score the top side so that it stays connected and can open and close like a little door. Next, you'll need to cut 2 long slits into both sides of the box. Make the slit about 1 inch tall and then go to within 1 to 2 inches of each side like this. Now, line the inside of the box with cute wrapping paper. It adds charm and it also covers over the writing on the box, so win-win. Cut an L-shaped piece of cardboard and cover it in wrapping paper. Then glue it inside the box to form a separate area where you drop any prizes that you catch. My absolute favorite part of this project comes next. Use a white paint pen to draw gingerbread house details all over the cardboard box. This was my first time using an Edding brand paint pen, and I have to say I was so impressed. I drew a lot with it and it just kept pumping out ink like a champ. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of coming up with gingerbread-esque designs, I put together a Pinterest board full of hand-drawn gingerbread houses to use as inspiration, so check it out, it might help you too. Use hot glue to attach the candy cane pipe cleaner around the window and the prize flap. Now let's get the prize balls ready. Glue an ornament topper to the outy half of all the balls you want to use. This seemed straightforward until I tried it. The ornament topper has a jagged edge and doesn't want to stick to the curved surface of the plastic balls. So I found the thing that worked was loading the entire ornament topper full of glue. It then becomes a burning hot ball of lava, so only hold it by the metal hanging piece, and then use 2 popsicle sticks to press it down onto the plastic ball so you don't burn your fingers off. There are a ton of options for filling these prize balls. Little toys like bouncy balls, candy obviously, gum, this little lip gloss fit perfectly, jewelry works great, and to make this craft even more versatile, you could put tickets in some of the prize balls that lead to bigger wrapped gifts. I made the tickets and gift labels into printables for you. They're numbered 1 through 25, so you could do this like an advent calendar, or print out a few and do a mix of small prizes and wrapped ones. It's nice to have options. Make tissue paper fluffs and add those to the bottom of the claw machine. This gives the prizes a nice place to nestle and it helps the game look more full. Then add all of your prize balls. This is when I decided to line the back of my roof with wrapping paper to cover over the words because they did show around the eaves just a little bit. But if you have clean cardboard, you could skip this step. I experimented with adding clear plastic over the window into the machine, and the plastic I used wasn't the best. It was a bit crunched, so it didn't look very good, so I ended up taking it off. You can see it in some of these shots. I still may add some kind of clear covering because I think it makes it look more like an arcade machine. I just haven't decided, and comment with any ideas you might have for me of what kind of material I could use. But here's the thing, if you cover over the window, you need to leave a way to still access the inside of the machine. So my solution was to make one side of the roof hinged so I could open and close it and get inside of the machine. I added tiny little magnets along the edge to make the roof close tight. You can skip this step and just leave your window open, totally up to you. To make the actual claw mechanism, we're going to use this fishing magnet. Tie it to the end of this ribbon and add a bow for cuteness. Then glue the other end of the ribbon to the center of a wooden dowel. Slide the dowel through the slots you cut in both sides of your house and feed the magnet through so that it's inside of the claw machine. Then at the last minute I decided to line the roof with pom-pom trim, and I'm so glad I did. It's really darling and adds a lot of dimension. Then just because this whole project is extra, so why not, let's add a light. I just grabbed this light out of my bedroom closet, but you could use any sort of battery operated light that you already have, or not, either way. Are you ready to see this thing in action? Let's see if I can get a prize. My kids went crazy for this, and I'm going to be keeping this bad boy forever. I built a claw machine arcade game. I built it for Christmas. Can you even? I love it. I've got a written tutorial and source list with links to everything I used in this craft. It's all written out on my site. The link is in the video description. Happy crafting!